Hello dear kids, I hope that you all are doing well and you all are safe at home. Welcome back again. My name is Miss Rashmi Chetri. So today we are going to start with English, okay? So this is the book that we are going to follow today for English, okay? The name of the book is Easy Learning English, okay? So most of the chapters we have already completed. Today we are going to complete page number 31 and 32 of Easy Learning English, alright? So if you open to page number 31, you will get long A sounds. Now what is long A sounds? Vowels we have already learned. Okay, again for recap, let me ask you how many letters are there that consist of vowels? 5 letters: A, E, I, O, U. We have already done short vowels A to E, है ना? So now we are going to do long vowel sound. Okay, that is we will start from A. So find and say A, I, in. You have to find out A, I. Okay, so this is R, A, I, N, rain. S, N, A, I, L, snail. P-A-I-N-T, paint. Okay, now here read the words, trace over and write. You have to read, so let's read it. R-A-I-N, rain. S-N-A-I-L, snail. P-A-I-N-T, paint. Now here the dots are given, so you need to trace it. Here, find and say A-Y in tray. T-R-A-Y, tray. P-L-A-Y, play. D-A-Y, day. Now again here you have to read these words and you have to trace it. This is T-R-A-Y, tray. C-H-A-I-N, chain. P-L-A-Y, play. S-A-Y, say. D-A-Y, day. T-A-I-L, tail. Okay, so these are the things that you have to repeat again. Okay, so you can pause the video, you can play it again, and then you can read aloud with me. Okay, try to learn these words and trace these words. Okay, so page number 31, that is long A vowel, is completed. Now it's long E sound. Okay, what comes after A? Vowel E. Okay, find and say E-A in. L-E-A-F, leaf. M-E-A-T, meat. R-E-A-D, read. Okay, for short vowels we have done only 2 to 3 letters word, right? P-I-N, pin, N-E-T, net, hai na? So these all are long E sounds. Read the vowels, trace over and write. Again, leaf, meat, read. We have learned na here, so you have to trace it. Now find and say double E in. B-double-E, S-H-double-E-P, ship. T-R-double-E, tree. Again the same words has been repeated here. Trace it and again you can read it. Okay, so draw lines to match the words with their pictures. You have to match it. Okay, here it is W-H-E-E-L, wheel. This one is wheel, match it. B-E-A-C-H, beach. Beach is here, match it. Okay, so if you turn the page number 33. Okay, so page number 31 and 32, okay, that is long A and long E we have done today. Try to learn all these words and trace this. So this is your homework for Easy Learning English, page 31 and 32. Now we will be doing Let's Learn English. This book are both for English only. So now we will be doing Let's Learn English, page 41, 42 and 43. Okay, so if you turn the page to and open to page number 41, you will be getting vowel sound. Again, in both this book we are doing vowels. Okay, so here words with A sound. A plus T equals to at. A-T, at. Okay, like C-A-T, cat. R-A-T, rat. H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, mat. B-A-T, bat. F-A-T, fat. Trace these words, read it properly. A-T equals to at. Okay, cat, rat, hat. Now A-B equals to ab. Okay, C-A-B, cab. D-A-B, dab. T-A-B, tab. F-A-B, fab. L-A-B, lab. है ना? S-L-A-B, slab. Okay, so this also you have to trace it. Okay, now if you turn the page, you will get again vowel A sound. A-D, add, like dad, mad, lad, sad, cad and pad. Okay, you have to trace these words and also you have to learn it. Now AG equals to ag. Okay, that is lag, wag, rag, sag, bag and tag. Okay, so this one also you have to trace it. Again here also you will be getting the vowel A, that is am, jam, dam, ham. Again, an, fan, pan, van, man, ran, can. Okay, in this way you have to trace these words. You can pause the video, you can play it again, and then you can learn this, because these words are too small, hai na? So you can do it, you can learn all this. Okay, so this is your homework for Let's Learn English, that is page 41, 42 and 43. All right, that's all. So kids, we have finished up with English. Now we are going to do maths. We are going to follow this book, maths activity book, that is this one. Okay, maths activity book, and we will be doing page number 18 and 19 from this book. Now if you open to page number 18, you will get something like this. Missing numbers we have already done, hai na? Lot of time in English also, maths also. Here again the same thing has been repeated, but the different thing is the numbers are different. Okay, so here some of the gaps are there, you will get, so you have to fill in this, very easy. What comes after 53? 54, 55, 56 is already written, then 57. Again from 51 it is started, then 52, 53, 54, 55. Now it started from 50 over here, then what comes after 50? 51, 52, 53, 54. Similarly you are going to do this, all this. Okay, the last one also. It is very easy, I know that you all can do it. Now if you turn the page, here the numbers that comes after, जो बाद में आता है, after means बाद वाला, okay, not आगे वाला, बाद वाला. So here for before and after questions, ना you have to be careful while for these questions, okay, for these numbers. तो इसके आगे में क्या लिखा है? 50. So you have to fill the second part. Okay, जो after number है वो आपको लिखना है. 50 50, then 51 51, 57 57, then 58 58, 59 59, then 60 60, 52 52, then 53 53. So this one I have already helped you. So this one you are going to do it by yourself. So this is the homework for page number 18 and 19. Along with this book, you have to do it in your copy also, exercise book also. Okay, and in both classwork and homework. As you know that we have already completed till 70, 80, hai na? So in this exercise book also you will be writing in this way. OT, ones, tens, then write in number 61 to 80. I have written here 61 to 70 here, 71 to 80. As I have already told you that you will finish up the single line. Okay, like 1 to 10 आप यहाँ finish करोगे, यहाँ पे तो you will get the space, but यहाँ पे आप start नहीं करना है, you will start from the second column. Okay, so in this way, in a very neat and clean handwriting, students, do it this. Okay, so homework is this, and in your exercise book also classwork and homework. That's all. So kids, we have done already the English, maths. Now we are going to do EVS and GK. That is, we are going to follow this book, Easy Learning General Awareness. Okay, so today we are going to complete page number 21 to 27. So if you open to page number 21, you will get this. That is all about your family. Students, we all live with our family. Now who is family? Our mother, father, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother. They all are our family. Some of you live with small family. Some of you have big family. So that's what we are going to see today. Sarthak has gone out for dinner with his family. Let's see how many family members are there in his family. So Sarthak has gone out for a dinner with his family. Okay, so let's count. Here you have to count how many members are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is father, mother, Sarthak and her sister. So Sarthak has total 4 members in his family. So he has small family. He lives in a small family. Okay, now if you turn the page, here again Sania's family members have gone for a picnic. Let's see how many family members are there for her family. So this is Sania's family. Sania lives in a big family with her grandparents also. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 members are there in Sania's family. Means she lives in a big family. Okay, grandmother, grandfather, mother, father, might be she is Sanya, Shanya's brother, Sanya's cousin. Okay, so there are total 10 members in her family, so she lives in a big family. Okay, now if you turn the page, you will get, let's do, circle the picture of family members who stays with you. Now from here you have to circle the picture with whom do you live, like your father, mother. If you live with your mother, yes, definitely we live with our mother and father, so you have to put a circle. If you live with your grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, whatever, whoever there are in your family, you have to circle. Okay, you can take the help of your parents also. Now if you turn the page, you will get, it is page number 24, fun with family. Let us see the things that Sanya does with her family. We do a lot of things with our family. We go for a dinner, we go for a picnic, we go in an amusement park, है ना? So see, Sanya goes to her relative house on the festival. Now who are relatives? Like our uncle, aunt, mama, mami, चाचा, चाची, ये सब होते हैं ना? They all are our relatives, जो हमारे family members में आते हैं. Okay? So Sanya क्या करती है? She goes with her relatives out on a festival. Sanya goes shopping at the mall also with her family. She goes to the market to buy fruits and vegetables with her mother. Some of you, yes, you all go है ना, with your mother and father to the market. Okay. She goes to play in the park with her grandparents. वो अपने grandparents के साथ, where does she goes? To the park. Okay. Now she goes to the restaurant with her family. Restaurant means जहाँ पे हम कभी बाहर जाते हैं ना खाना खाने के लिए, that is called restaurant. She visits the amusement park with her family. She also visits to the amusement park. Amusement park is a park where the lot of playing things you can get, like in here, over here you will get the Dreamland, है ना? Many of you have visited Dreamland, that is also an amusement park. You will get the merry-go-round, roller coaster, lot of things. Okay, so she visits the amusement park with her family. Now in page number 27, color the picture. Can you name the place? First of all, you have to color this. You can use any crayons, colorful. Okay, so these here the children are playing, merry-go-round is there, fair, something, all these children are eating, है ना? So this is an amusement park. Okay, because as I told you, amusement park is a park which contains a lot of playing games. Okay, a lot of playing things. So you have to color this. Okay, so the homework is page number 27 and here it's page number 23. Okay, so from this book, page number 23 and 27 is your homework. Okay, that's all. तो बच्चों, हमने इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, ईवीएस ख़त्म कर लिया है. अब हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं हिंदी. ठीक है, तो हम करेंगे ये, हमने ऑलरेडी पहले ही क से अंग तक कर लिया है. तो आपको अपने क्लास वर्क कॉपी और होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज बुक में ये लिखना है. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन होगा च से इ तक लिखो, च छ ज छ इ. आपको पूरा एक एक लाइन छोड़ के यहाँ पे पूरा लिखना होगा. ठीक है, आप अपने मम्मा पापा का हेल्प ले सकते हो. तो आप अब बोर्ड में देखिए, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी कैसे लिखते हैं. तो हमने ये ऑलरेडी सीख लिया था, है ना? क लिखना सीख लिया था, फिर ख से खरगोश, फिर ग से गमला, फिर घ से घर, फिर अंग से कुछ भी नहीं होता है. अब आज हम करने जा रहे हैं च. तो च लिखने के लिए हम ऐसा करेंगे, च, फिर यहाँ पे छोटा सा सर्कल इन दिस, ऐसे करके लिखेंगे छ. फिर ज होगा, ऐसे करके करोगे तो बन जाएगा ज. फिर झ होगा, ऐसे करके, पहले छोटी ई, फिर ये स्लीपिंग देन स्टैंडिंग लाइन, फिर ई में उल्टा सी बना के स्लीपिंग देन स्टैंडिंग लाइन. ओके, च से चरखा, छ से छतरी, ज से जहाज, छ से झंडा, ई से अगेन कुछ नहीं होता. ठीक है, एक बार फिर से पढ़ते हैं. क ख ग घ अंग, च छ ज झ इ. तो ऐसे करके आप अपने क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क दोनों एक्सरसाइज बुक में आप लोग करेंगे. ठीक है, थोड़ा और डिटेल्स के लिए आप स्कूल वेबसाइट से लिख सकते हैं. ये सब आपको मिल जाएगा www.bscnews.in में. ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके आप अपने क्लास वर्क और होमवर्क एक्सरसाइज बुक में लिखोगे और उसके साथ आप पढ़ोगे भी. ठीक है, तो बच्चों, let's meet up in the next video. Till then, bye bye.